Imagine a house that breathes with nature, a seamless blend of comfort and sustainability. This is the vision brought to life by OYO architects in close collaboration with a family seeking a truly unique home. Unlike traditional Belgian houses, OYO flipped the script, placing the living areas on top. This creates a dynamic connection between the family and the sky, while bedrooms tucked away below offer a sense of cozy privacy. Every detail is meticulously considered. The staircase acts as a bridge between floors, while the cleverly positioned window offers a glimpse of the outside world without compromising privacy. But the roof is more than just beautiful, it's a living, breathing extension of the home. The green space insulates and cools the house naturally, while the rubber membrane facade adapts to the changing weather, creating a dynamic exterior. The boundaries between inside and outside blur. The terrace becomes an extension of the living space, perfect for family gatherings and outdoor dining. A hidden gem, a small swimming pond, adds a touch of luxury and tranquility. Sustainability is at the heart of this design. Discreetly integrated solar panels harness the sun's energy, while the meticulous insulation and green roof contribute to a low-energy footprint. This family home is kind to the environment, reflecting the client's vision for a sustainable future.